Hello everyone and welcome to Doritos Corner. Thank you for joining. Okay, thank you for watching my videos and also engaging. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be making agushi stew. And it's agushi stew, that is melon seed. This is how it looks like when you go to the store. This is from Nina. You can buy any brand of your choice. So this is how the agushi is looking like. So first of all, I'm going to begin with my red oil. And I have some of the red oil available for sale. This red oil is very, very delicious, okay? So if you want some, just inbox me on Facebook, Doritos Corner, Instagram, Doritos Corner, TikTok, Doritos Corner. Wherever you message me, I'm going to respond to your message right away. So as my red oil is in there, the first thing that goes in will be my onions, okay? Lots and lots of onions. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I like using a lot of oils, which is healthy. Incorporating a lot of vegetables into your dishes helps you stay healthy and it helps your food digest pretty easy. So I have my onions in there, and I'm going to prep my other stuff that I will need for the recipe, like my melon seed. My onions is frying in my red oil. This is my agushi. We call it agushi. The Nigerian people call it agusi. Which other way you call it is fine by me. So with that, I'm going to add in some salt. And I'm putting in 1.5 tablespoons of salt, okay? And then I'm going to stir that in, and I'll add in my water. So I add in my water. I'm going to stir it. I don't want it too runny. I'm just going to mix it in. And then make sure it's like you soaking it up, okay? So today we're going the Nigeria way, okay? They probably have their own way of making it, but this is how I learned how to make it from my mom. And I know our culture, we have a lot in common when it comes to Nigerian, okay? We have a lot in common. The stuff we eat, our culture, our so many things that we do is like them. So I'm going to let this sit, and then I'm going to check on my oil that is from the stove. Okay, so just like that, it is frying beautifully, and I'm going in with my blended up pepper sauce. So this is jalapeno pepper, the red one, and then the real bell pepper that I have. Real bell pepper and then jalapeno, red jalapeno. Those are the only two ingredients that I have blended up, okay? So I'm not adding no tomato paste or tomato sauce to this. This is everything fresh. No canned stuff, no anything. You know, it's fresh. This is like a quick and go. You can make this in less than 10 minutes and your family will love it, okay? So now that I have that also frying, I'm going to let it fry for at least 10 straight minutes, and then I'll proceed. I have my pepper and my onions frying beautifully. I'm going in with my tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. Like I mentioned earlier, this is gonna be all fresh, okay? No frozen, no canned stuff. Everything in here is fresh, okay? So I'm going to let it fry in there for 5 straight minutes, okay? My tomatoes are fried beautifully. I don't want it to cook too much, so I'm going in with my agushi. So this is my agushi right here. This is how I'm gonna put it in. I want it bubbling up like egg. So I'm going to put it in like that in each corners. after that, I will cover it up, okay? So I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for straight 6 minutes, okay? After 6 minutes, I'm going to stir it in. So look at that. That is really, really beautiful and very, 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 very gorgeous. It smells amazing. I can't wait to dig into this, okay? So my husband has been bothering me to make him agushi stew with boiled plantains and boiled cassava. So today, here we go, hubby. It's all yours. So this is how it's looking. I'm going to stir it and let it cook for additional minute. That's it. Our stew is done. I'm going to let it cook for additional 5 minutes and then we'll be good. Letting it cook for additional 5 minutes. This is how my agushi is looking, okay? It's looking really, really delicious, okay? So just like that, our agushi stew, it's ready. Stay tuned and watch how I'm gonna serve it and add my plantains and my cassava, boiled cassava to it, all right? So now I have my cassava and my plantains, yuca and plantains, and I'm adding 2 eggs to it, and I'm going to let it boil for 15. So this is my plantains and my cassava, aka yuca, and it is ready cooked, and I'm going to serve it. So my agushi and my plantains and yuca, it's ready, and this is how it is looking. It's looking gorgeous. All right, come grab your plate and let's enjoy. Thank you for joining.